Talking about machine learning in the context of um, codeless scripting, there are many use cases of machine learning. You can create tests without you having to design, without humans having to design. You can have machine design test cases. You can sense application changes automatically. You can come up with the forecast against each test case, whether it is likely to fail or pass when it is executed next. And that helps you with scientific choice of test cases for your regression suite. You can improve speed of execution. You don't have to wait eternally for an element to show up. Because you have deployed machine learning, you know how long it takes for an element to respond. So you can optimize test execution. You can become more smarter with your execution, and you can also predict root causes for test failures, whether it is a locator issue, whether it is a sync issue, whether it is a data issue, whether it's a true application issue. Such categorization of defects or issues can be done by machine learning algorithms, saving a lot of time for testers or automation engineers. And self-healing results in reduced maintenance overheads. And there are times when you have too many test cases and you won't know how many of them are really duplicate. I've seen cases where there were 65,000 test cases in a test suite for one application, and automated deduplication saves a lot of time, effort, and cost. So these are the use cases of machine learning or artificial intelligence that is gaining significant traction with these low code, no code platforms.